Alright, welcome to another video, guys, and in this video we'll be doing some again commercial mix, and let's go. So we are using a couple of tracks which have intros and outros. These are all your commercial pop tracks or hip hop tracks. So they have intros and outros, which makes it a lot more fun. And also we are using something called quick hit version. The replay is a quick hit version. What exactly it means is that it only has first verse, chorus and outro. I mean intro, first verse, first chorus of the song, and then the outro. There is no second verse, third verse and all those things. Simple, on point, because while DJing, the most important part is what? The intro, verse, chorus. Intro, no one really hears it. Only you will hear it if you're beat matching. And then you have your verse and chorus as what the audience will listen to. So we'll do this, and we'll do something creative as well. Get the volume up already. We'll turn on the beat sync. And now
talk dirty to me.
And then we are into the next track. And now again the same thing, we'll use num. Now with num we'll be doing something more creative. So over here we need to have an understanding of how the sync really works. So at the moment it says the BPM is 100, but if you see on the side of it, it says 110.1. So I need to first, this is the hardware position, okay? I need to first match to as close at 100, right? And 100. Right, so we are at the same BPM. So now what we're going to do is we're going to switch the master deck. This is right now the master because it's playing outside, but you can manually change it to this. And now same concept again. So I have to start, I forgot. So again we'll get the volume up. And now slowly increase the tempo. Get the mids and highs subtle. And then again we are getting the tempo up faster so that the original tempo is 110. And if you really play the track, more than 8 or 10 BPM higher or lower than its natural tempo, it sounds a little off, at least for me. So I don't try to increase it more than 8 is the max usually I get, or 8 or 10 is like the limit, hard limit. So that's why I got it down again to the closest tempo of what it is. Original tempo of this is 110. So I got it up to 106. So again what I can do, I can load another track and then be ready and keep the vibe going on. Now this is how I use sync. I hope this also helps you understand how sync really works. And if you really want to learn about all of these concepts in much more deeper level, then you have to check out our website destinyschoolofdj.com. We offer online as well as offline classes. Online, anywhere from the world you can take classes from us. Offline, you'll have to be in Hyderabad and you can take the classes in our studio. Now, thank you for watching. Make sure to check out our website for all the details.